Single pair Ethernet connectivity products are available in two standards, IP20 and IP67. If I start with IP20, we have our product available that supports transmissions up to 1 Gbps and power over data line. If we look at the IP67 solutions, we have our first product with DAS6 standards M8 hybrid that is able to support the SPE needs at our customer level. We also have the IP67 M12 products available, which supports the industry consensus of DAS7 standards at SPE and is available in a more industry accepted format for higher power and data transmission for M12 form fit in fact.